Arthur, sirain pa eh.
Hey, I'm not that heavy. Okay, hey guys.
Hi.
We are back after a long break.
Busy.
Busy
So
with his
many
book.
things. Yeah. Tapos na yung book 3. Mapapublish na anytime this week. Sa mga nakabili ng book 1 and 2, salamat. Yung ate ko sa Arizona at saka yung tita ko sa Minnesota.
O, di ba pang US? Pang US market.
Anyway, parang we were kind of pulled here kasi sa pag-uusapan namin has something to with age gap,
Age difference.
yung generational gap, yung mga ganyan pagdating doon sa relationship because kami mismo ganun din. So, nagkataon nga na what's this? Kakahiwalay ni Maris Racal sa ni Rico Blanco. So, in a way, parang we want to talk about it para kahit paano magbigay ng sarili naming opinion about it and some, siguro, to shed some light doon sa pagdating doon sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon, which is basically iba kasi nagiging tingin ng tao. And what we're going to talk about ngayon is yung age difference na yun, not just yung sa lalaki ang older, but this time pwede rin yung babae naman yung older. Because quite recently, we watch yung
An Idea of You.
Yeah,
yung
si
movie
Anne
ni Anne Hathaway
yeah.
and that guy from Purple Hearts and Cinderella apparently.
Okay. Anyway, what's your take on that?
What's my take on that? She's 40,
sa
so
age,
my
age, not the
tapos
movie, the age.
dating somebody younger.
The age, I mean,
The
not the
age gap.
movie. What's your take?
I don't know how to feel about the age gap really between kung yung older yung woman. I guess there's this parang notion pa din na parang if it's the woman that's older, parang ano ba yan? Ganyan. It's not the same yung...
I mean, pati naman yung sa lalaki. Pag older yung lalaki.
Pero parang
in general, ano ang take mo doon sa age difference na yun sa malaki?
Age is just a number. At the end of the day, it's your...
Oo nga. So, doon mafo-focus yung pag-uusapan. Okay? Kasi, doon yung point na, okay, few days ago nga, pumutok yung balita na naghiwalay si Maris sa si Rico Blanco. I mean, si Irene Chu. Our favorite Irene Chu. Anyway, parang kagahapon shinare ko, nirepost ko lang yung episode 3 namin about breakups. Kasi nga, may kinalaman doon sa mga pag-uusapan niyo na isa bang reason yung hiwalayan nila because of the age difference? No?
Probably.
Yung gap. But then again, napag-usapan natin nung episode 3, parang may mga mutual breakup. Yung sa kanila mukhang mutual breakup.
Very respectful, that's what you said.
Oo. Pag nakita niyo yung sinabi ni Rico Blanco, okay din yung sinabi niya. Na oo, they were perfect for each other. Pero doon kasing point na hindi ibig sabihin na if you really love each other, dapat kayo na. Minsan, if you really love each other, baka mas kailangan yung maghiwalay. Baka ganon. And with due respect dun sa dalawa, kay Marisa, kay Rico, parang feeling close, first name basis. Anyway, Ako, I respect din naman yung ano eh. Andun kasi yung point na si Rico Blanco, I mean, sensing it from what he said doon sa kanyang post na baka nga nag-let go siya in the sense na nasa edad na siya na dapat nagsesettle na. Pero there's so much going on na magaganda pagdating sa career naman ni Maris Racal na umuusbong na yung career niya. Baka hindi pa siya ready to settle. Yung mga ganong
Oh,
factor.
she's only 25
Yeah,
after all.
at saka, ang ganda nung takbo ng career niya ngayon. Tapos biglang masisettle na lang siya. Kasi ang daming ganyan eh, na ang dami nung nag-give up nung career nila para mapagbigyan yung ano, only to realize after a while na parang
the other person.
pinagsisisihan. Or not really pinagsisisihan, pero they miss it. Baka kailangan pa nilang
There is maybe
mag-grow.
some
Diba?
regret
Hindi
there.
yung matatali na. So, baka it was very gentlemanly yung ginawa ni Vivian na,
Rico Blanco.
ay, ni Rico Blanco na mag-let go. Yung ganun. Na at the same time, sa point naman ni Marisa Cal, in as much as ayaw nila, baka nga nakita nila, iba kasi yung sinabi niya na, I saw a different perspective, I mean something to that effect. Baka yun na nga eh. So by the time na maging ready siya, baka naman sobra namang too old na tong si Rico Blanco.
Maybe, bakit?
So parang Inoy, baka nag-let go din siya.
Pwede.
Pero the mere fact na we're all assuming na ganun yung nangyari, iba-iba, because we really don't know. So, siguro ito is more of pakiusap din doon sa mga tao na huwag na tayong humusga just the way we did doon sa Bea Dominic, sa Katniel, na hindi naman talaga natin alam yung buong storya. I mean, sila lang naman talaga nakakaalam yan, di ba? Although it's an open book dahil nga mga public figures yan. So nag-a-assume tayo ng mga issue, mga ganyan. So, in a way, pagdating doon sa age difference na yan, yung sa amin kasi, 11 years. Nung nagsisimula, parang parang ang dami yung sabi. Grabe. Ang layo. Oo. Pero not compared dun sa iba, like, yun nga, kay Maris Racal and Rico Blanco, 20 plus years. Kay Vic Soto and Pauline Luna, or Dolphy and Shasha. Yung mga ganun. Mas malalaki eh. My father and my mom, for that matters, 19 years. So, kanya-kanyang yan. Nagkataon lang siguro sa case namin, ang mga nag-react, yung nakakaalam na parang, come to think of it, parang, alam mo yun, pwede talaga mag-react ang tao sa mga bagay-bagay. Pero kung sabihin na natin iba yung naging sitwasyon, like for example, adult ka na.
It wouldn't matter.
Nagwo-work ka na, or sa workplace tayo nagkakilala. Pareho naman tayong single. It could have been different. Diba? The way they see it also. Pero under the circumstances na minsan parang, nakita man lumaki, parang hindi
ka tanggap-tanggap.
Oo, na parang may negative connotation
yung
agad.
Yun kaya sila nagkakaroon ng terms like cradle snatcher, or ano yung mga tinawag nila sa'yo, bantay sa lakay.
Oo. At the same time, meron din yung point na pagkabaliktad naman, yung mga sa babae naman, cougar, diba? Cougar, what's the cow, the thing?
The what?
Yung cow thing?
The cow? What's a cow thing? May mommy issues siya.
Ano mga ganun na, kasi yun na nga eh, parang yung recent nga na pinapanood namin yung kay movie ni Anne Hathaway na siya yung older, na parang anak niya na yung ka-age, halos ka-age na ng anak niya yung dude. it happens. Kay Mami Junisha,
Cher
kay,
doesn't date people
yeah,
her age because they're old now.
kay, sino ba to?
Kris Jenner.
Yeah, yung mga ganun na, minsan, nasa feelings nyo naman yan. Nandun din yung point na, yun yung naramdaman nyo that time. Yung kay Ay de las Alas, di ba? Yung,
Pero break sila. So.
oo nga, pero ando dun yung point na, mas nahuhusgahan dyan yung lalaki na parang, baka gold digger and dating.
Yeah, gold digger.
Kasi maya, alam mo yan,
But
gano'n.
although, do you remember a
Or,
couple of months ago, yung politician who married this, he's like 80 and he married someone who's like in her, I don't know, early 30s maybe.
yeah, na anak
That's
nung dating
crazy.
tao pa nga niya, di ba?
Ako, aminado naman ako, medyo parang nag-cringe talaga ako dun. Kasi like, oh my God.
Yeah, pero we
You're
really
marrying your
can't,
grandpa, that's crazy.
say, yun na nga eh.
There's
Okay.
that judgment, oh, di ba?
Okay.
Like, I
Pero
don't need to.
yun na. Oo, pero yun na nga
Exactly.
eh. Ano ang basis mo for judging that? Physical eh.
Physical,
Which
exactly.
is, di ba
I
parang,
don't
ay
know
parang
what
lolo, ay kulubot na yan.
exactly.
Parang,
Yeah.
pero, may age difference ba as far as your feeling is concerned?
Exactly. That is the point of this
Diba?
conversation.
So parang
Diba?
hindi dapat natin hinuhusgahan yung tao because
Exactly.
ang rason nila minsan, hindi naman yun yung
We
tamang
don't
rason.
know kung
Oo.
why it led to that in the
Oo.
first place. Maybe, you know,
Kasi ando doon yung point din naman natin na sa case nga ni Marisa Racal, Enrico Blanco, mahirap yun dahil ando doon sila sa age na
magkaiba
one
talaga.
is really
Ready to settle
ready
down,
to,
maybe?
actually, way beyond the point na nga, na dapat nakapag-settle na siya sa age na yun. I mean, I'm older, or ka-age ko lang,
Yeah, you're the same.
si Rigo Blanco.
51, yeah.
I mean, 52 this year.
Not until December.
Well, hindi yun yung,
No, anyway,
hindi yun yung issue.
51,
Okay, yeah, okay. 51, 52, hanggang kung ano man yan.
And she's 25.
Yeah.
So, I guess. I mean, kung ako din naman sa kanya eh.
Kasi,
I wouldn't tie
hindi yun na
myself
nga.
to...
Alam mo, ito yung sinasabi niya. Parang, in a few months, I'm 52. Until such time mag-52 ako, gusto niya, doon lang mangyayaring 52. Ayaw niya paniwala na 52 ako. Kasi parang ayaw niya lumayo yung gap. No, yun na nga yung gusto natin eh. Kahit na 55 na ako, kahit na ano na, mag-55. Huwag niyo nang tignan sa point na yun.
That's not my point though.
Diba?
Because if you acknowledge your age, then I have to acknowledge mine. And that's my issue.
Isa pa yan. Yung age na yan, kung talagang magmamatter, masyadong binibigyan ng issue eh. Kung ano yung edad mo, yun yung edad mo. I don't know why you have to hide it.
I'm not hiding it.
Diba? Kaya nga, sana hindi natin bigyan ng masyadong ano yung point. Kasi ang daming nagkakaroon ng issue pagdating doon because of what other people say.
Exactly.
Hindi yung sa kanila. Sa case nga nila Maris and Rigo, I mean, naintindihan ko yung point nila eh. So I have to give it to them rin, lalo na siguro kung sa yung pinopoint out namin kanina na nag-let go sila sa isa't isa because of yung generational gap. I would say generational gap kasi ando doon yung, like for example, sa amin, I wouldn't say it's a generational gap kasi
hindi pala ganun kalaki yung difference.
Come to think of it, may overlapping dun sa mga pinagdaanan namin na maiintindihan namin isa't isa. Whereas yung sa kanila na 25 years, more or less, ilang generation yung between them eh na mga 2, 3, ewan ko, na lumagpas.
Siguro 2.
Oo, na parang for them to let go. Kung ganun nga talaga kasi, I mean, sensing nga from yung sa point ng bawat isa, parang talagang mutual eh, nag-let go sila. Because they're trying to understand yung need ng partner nila. And sometimes they have to sacrifice yung love because of that. Which is, I mean, in a way, sad.
So sad.
But at the same time, baka nga naman, yun yung dapat. Minsan, because them as a public figure, at ang daming nakatanggap na dun sa relationship na tapos biglang maghihiwalay silang gano'n. All hopes na possible pala biglang ano doon, ang daming puwedeng mga magiging sabi-sabi na naman na ibang tao, na minsan it adds up to the pressure, na baka nga yun yung puwedeng or mas magandang mangyari, pero come to think of it, pinipigilan na nila because baka nga, baka may masabi tao na, "See, I told you so." Yun yung mga iniiwasan, which is, napag-usapan namin nung sa episode 3, it boils down to pride. Pero for them to swallow that if ever they were actually fighting it off, siguro nung una, and then decided that they have to really let go, then I give it to them, 'di ba? Pero I mean, that's just an assumption naman, eh.
Kind of brave din for
Yeah,
Maris to actually,
oo.
break it off. Kasi, like, to be a woman, 25, and
Oo,
then
kasagsagan yan. Tsaka kasagsagan yan nung ano mo,
out in the world, no, mag-isa
ng
ka ulit.
parang
That's very brave of her.
kasagsagan yan nung parang, yan na yung parang success na. Kasi kung tutuusin mo, yung 25 during the olden days, during the olden days, marrying
That's the
age na yan, eh.
marriage. Pero hindi na nga kasi yun yung priority ng generation today. Like,
Oo,
which, di ba? Good
kaya
for
nga.
them. Hindi talaga. So, pero yun na nga, ang brave niya lang
Or
to tackle it alone. Kumbaga, do it. Kung tutuusin, she could have asked him to, can you step back a little bit? Let me shine and then just wait.
sa
Di
age
ba?
kasi, yung age gap kasi nilang dalawa, no? Kaedad na ba ni Rico yung tatay?
I have no idea.
Kasi syempre, may mga considerations din yun, eh. Na baka, I'm not saying na kay Maris or kay Rico Blanco lang. It's more, in general, baka ano doon kasi minsan yung iba na baka hinahanap na yung father figure.
Kasi nga meron daddy issues or
Oo, pero
mommy
hindi naman
issues
natin alam yun. So, we're not going there. As far as Maris Racal or Rico Blanco is concerned, we're not going there.
I don't think she
Oo,
has.
pero syempre, sarami. What we're pointing out is sarami ng possible issues. Ni isa doon kung wala tayong alam. Huwag tayong mag-uhusga o huwag nating pangungunahan na, kasi sabi ko, ganito,
But
no?
it's so hard to not judge sometimes, yeah.
Diba? So, wishing them the best lang. What we're actually talking about or yung gusto nga namin point out ngayon is yung age difference na if it's going to work or not, it really depends on on you kung how you're going to work it out. Kami sa amin na lang for one, eh.
Why do we
Yung
work?
andyan yung patience, di ba? I have to be very patient.
I have to be very patient.
Hindi. Ando doon kasi yung point na madami kaming pinagtatalunan as far as yung difference
That's
ngayon
why it's
pagdating
OA.
doon sa kung ano yung take
Views
ko.
na lang eh.
Oo. Yung
Judger ako, hindi siya judger.
magkaiba. So,
Pero minsan, mas judger pa siya kaysa sa akin. So,
depende. Depende talaga kung ano yung topic, ano yung subject. Pero ano doon kasi yung point na, yes, magkakaroon ng maraming difference. Yung sa amin na lang napakarami. How much more yung napakalaking gap na
I
yon,
think
diba?
if you ask us kung
tignan
ano
mo.
yung sa amin dalawa, if you ask us what do we have in common, napakakonti. Pero if you ask us what we don't agree with or like yung agree on or see eye to eye on, sobrang dami namin pwedeng ililista namin isa-isa kasi sobrang dami talaga namin differences. Pero yung something in common,
siguro,
super rare.
kaya nga opposite sa track, kaya nga OA, di ba? I'm O,
I am A.
but then opposites attract. Pwede kaming mag-focus doon sa negative, yung pinagkatatalunan namin, eh. That OA thing, yung overwhelming, agreement or annoyance or kung anumang, yin or yang or kung ano man. Pwede kami mag-focus dun sa negative and call it quits tapos. Kasi mas marami. Gaya ng sabi nga ni Ian, mas marami yung difference. Pwede naman kami mag-focus na Hindi tayo nagti-click eh.
Hindi talaga.
Pero
I mean,
come
maybe
to,
it's the differences that make us click eh.
pero
Like,
come
you
to, yun na nga.
challenge my intellect in a
Pero,
way that nobody has ever.
pero yun yung come to think of it na nga. Minsan, yung opposites attract, yun yung better. Aso't pusa.
They could never get together though.
But it's the story. There
Yeah,
will never
I
be
get
an aso't pusa story.
We
Alam mo
should
yun?
make one.
Kung, kung, kung ganun yung sitwasyon na magde-decide na lang kayong ano. Pero the mere fact na meron ganun, kasi may success story behind it na despite that, despite this, despite yung mga kung ano man, you made it work. Diba? So it's up to you to make it work. Ano dun din yung siguro nagkataong swerte namin na it's working our way. Diba?
I don't think it has anything to do with luck. It has everything to do with, the willingness
Hindi,
to
when I
work
say
on it.
luck naman, ando din yung point na if
Ay,
we're going to
Ito
be...
okay, meron akong issue dyan sa luck na yan.
Bakit
I
ba
hate
naman?
it when people say, you're so lucky to be with him. Like, you know what? I'm not lucky. Because, like, I work hard
Oh,
to keep him in my life. So, it
that's
has
your...
nothing to do with luck. I'm not lucky I have him. He's lucky to.
Hindi, that's your take din naman on as far as that is concerned, no? Pero, syempre, we can't parang brush off dun yung idea na
You think I'm
minsan
lucky to have you?
yung lucky na yun. Kasi sa'yo, i-contest mo yan. Pero paano pag ako ang nagsabi sa'yo, alam mo, ang swerte ko for having you. Ngayon, all of a sudden, gusto mong pakinggan yung luck.
No, I hate it when you
No.
First of all, you never say that. So, secondly, if you do say that, I'd be like, it has nothing to do with luck. It has everything to do with...
No. Meron, you just can't brush off luck na ganun din. Dahil meron din kinalaman yan.
I don't believe
Parang
kasi
sa
in
akin,
luck.
ako I'm lucky enough na kung ano man yung meron sa akin is it makes or kung ano man kahit yung mga mas masamang nangyayari sa akin, I would consider myself lucky na kahit papaano I have that kind of disposition to make do of what's given me.
Alam ko sasabihin mo, I'm just arguing for arguing.
Yun na nga
sake,
kaya nga
pero
let's set that aside first.
Lucky strike.
Diba?
Nakalagay dun sa poster.
Let's set that aside. Ando doon yung point nga na we have to understand then yung it plays so much factors na para for relationship to work regardless kung ano yung difference ninyo or kung ano yung similarities ninyo kahit na gaano pa kaikli yung gap ninyo kasi ang number one dyan minsan ang dami kasing babae na they prefer na older men because mas maaga daw nagmamature ang mga babae.
Exactly.
So, paano
For
pag
me,
yung older yung babae? So, mas lalong lumayo yung gap kahit na ano lang.
Kaya nga dun papasok yung it boils down to preference.
Actually, hindi lang preference eh. Dahil sinabi ko nga, nasa sa inyo yun how you're going to make it work. Kasi kahit nasabihin mo, kompleto sa love, which is basically yung pinapresent nga ni Maris Racal and Rico Blanco na kahit na they love each other, feeling na they're perfect for each other, but they have to let go. So, kung yun na nga love is not enough, when in fact, it is. Pero yun yung way nila. So, ando doon yung point na making it work, nasa sa inyo yan. May it be sinabi niya, preference, a little of that luck kung paano mo i-view, kung paano mo titingnan, kung paano yung perspective mo. Kasi nabanggit yung word na perspective ni Maris Racal na
she turned the page. They were on the same page and then she doesn't know what happened but she feels like she turned the page.
Oo, diba?
And then, all of a sudden,
pero yun na nga sakasakali na malay mo, this is just one page of their life.
Could be,
The
di
mere
pa naman
fact na
tapos
nag-turn
talaga.
ng page, pwede naman niyang balikan. Malay mo, in the end, sila pa rin.
True.
Pero, yun na nga eh. Ang mahirap kasi dito, what if sila pa rin in the end? Ang dami nang nasabi ng mga tao na baka it will add up to the pressure na huwag na magbalikan because ang dami nasabi. So, bago tayo musga, lalo na sa mga close sa kanila, na
Yan nga.
dapat
Eh,
walang
kasi I was
masabi.
about to say, it doesn't matter naman kung ano yung iisipin ng fans or like haters or whatever.
Yeah,
It doesn't really matter. At the end of the day,
sila pa rin.
kung sino yung close din sa kanila. Di ba?
Diba? Saka,
Family,
it's
friends. Ganun.
between the two of them. And of course, I mean, as religious as it may sound, kay God pa rin na ito yung magiging pangyayari or fate or destiny ng buhay. Diba? So, in a way, basically yun eh. Yung gusto lang namin sabihin pagdating dun sa age gap na yun, parang OA, overage. Let's parang wag na natin lagyan ng label or ng tag or ng judgment ng panghuhusga pagdating doon sa ganyang bagay, 'di ba? Of course, iba naman yung tipong may negative connotation na parang which basically tayo rin naman minsan naglalagay. Parang yung kay Jacob sa yung sa anak ni Bella, yung sa Twilight, 'di ba? Sila pala yung tinadhana pero
Destiny kasi.
oo. I mean,
That's why
di ba?
Bella was so drawn to Jacob. It wasn't
Pero that's
her
another
thing.
story. Pero yun yung
You
age na
brought
yun.
it up.
Hindi, yung age, huwag ka na tayo lumihis. Yung age.
O kaya nga I don't believe in luck also because of that. Because
Okay,
that
here we go
destiny.
again. Here we go again.
Destiny nga.
Anyway. I hope hindi nyo rin iti-take itong sinasabi namin because we have that thing, yung age gap na yun. No? Na sinasabi nyo lang yan kasi kayo rin, di ba? Pero it's the same thing with those people na pagka-batch.
So
you
much
have your
better
own
na
issues.
Yeah.
Would you say hindi, dapat kasi ang kinuha mo older sa'yo. Or dapat kasi mas younger, It's the same thing. So, come to think of it, let's not stereotype, no? Kasi nasi-stigmatize yung kumbaga may stigma na nakadikit na pag ganito, ganyan. Alam mo yung gano'n na wala. I mean, hindi natin sinasabi na huwag natin bandayan. I mean, or, di ba? Kasi meron na nga yung sinasabi, nabanggit kanina ni A, yung naging, sa akin before, na bantay sa langit. I mean, it just so happened na, siguro nga, kung ang pag-uusapan lang, destiny is, yun yung tadhana eh. Yun yung nangyari eh. Under that circumstance, kaya kayo nagkakilala siguro, pero yun pala yung magiging tadhana. Minsan, even if you feel like mahal nyo na yung isa't isa, pero dahil nga meron yung panghuhusga sa tao because of yung stereotyping na yun, natatypecast yung bawat isa na dapat hindi ganito, dapat hindi ganyan. So, nagpipigil ka kahit na yung nararamdaman mo totoo. Ngayon, kung naging kayo naman because of that typecasting nga, feeling niyo hindi dapat, so maghihiwalay kayo. So, ano ba talaga? Diba? So, regardless kung ano man yung magiging age gap or age difference na yan, it boils down doon sa how you're going to make it work or how you're going to prove yung mga nagsasabi otherwise na, no, ito yun. It worked. Or we're working things out na maging okay. Diba? Doon yung point na it's possible. hindi ko sinasabing it has nothing to do with the age difference. It has, kasi na nga inapuprove ngayon nung kay Maris Racal and Rico Blanco. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na sa negative yung difference o yung may kinalaman yun. Because come to think of it, baka nga it's something good and they're trying to prove na na whatever nangyari sa kanila na it's still good, it's still perfect in the sense na they've been through that at hindi mawawala yung pagmamahal na yun. But they just have to probably express it in a different way. Ibang level na, 'di ba? Na hindi madaming ganyan. Minsan, and good for them na na-realize nila yun. Meron kasi yung tipong feeling nila mahal nilang isa't isa.
Pero hindi pala love.
Pero baka ibang klaseng love pala. Baka parang
Platonic
more,
lang.
yeah. Parang yung going back dun sa sinasabi ni A kanina na kaya pala si Jacob parang feeling niya mahal niya
Si Bella.
si Bella kasi eventually magiging mother-in-law niya.
Pero,
Alam mo yung gano'n na parang hindi mo alam yun eh. Baka gano'n din minsan yung nararamdaman nating pagmamahal sa isang tao na akala natin yun na yun. Pero yung pala ibang asing love. Tapos, nagpapakontrol tayo na pag hindi nag-workout doon sa ine-expect natin, masisira in the sense na either pag-awayan nyo or ikapaghiwalayan nyo. Pero if you're going to look at it na it's still based on that love kasi maraming klaseng love, focus on the positive essence ng love na baka nga naman still love. Which is nangyari kay Rico Blanco and Marisa na they still acknowledge that love, which is very good. And I give it to them nga talaga na baka nga ito talaga yung tadhana nila to let go. Sabi nga nila,
for now,
when you love, you have to set free. Hindi naman ibig sabihin pag nag-set free ka, hiwalay tayo. Hindi. You set free of those negative things. You set free yung emotions ninyo na dapat ganito, dapat ganyan. I-set free nyo yung expectations because when you love, you really give it. Ito yung gusto natin, di ba? Yung ganong bagay. Siguro sa kanila, love in the sense na setting free, it's not about quitting on the relationship, quitting on each other, pero it is the right thing to do right now for them. Diba? But then again, let's not assume or pangunahan yung mga pwedeng mangyari. I mean, come to think of it, lalo na mga public figures sila, artista sila for that matter. Pwede tayong mag-assume or magsabi na publicity na naman yan. Si Maris Racal, kailangan niya yan. Kasi ang ganda ng tandem nila ni Anthony Jennings, ni Snoop. Diba? Na, may movie silang gagawin, kailangan pumatok to. Para mas kapani-paniwala. Yung mga ganun eh.
naman yung love team nila.
Exactly. Kaya nga I have to give it to them dahil yeah. Pero parang kumbaga yun eh. Ang tumulong doon sa is the character.
Exactly.
Diba?
Nothing to do with their personality.
Oo, hindi dahil sa hindi sila tinim up para pangpakilig, hindi eh. It just worked out.
Just maybe a happy accident.
Yeah, oo. So, pero baka nga may gagawin ngayon. So, kailangan para mas okay na, alam niyo naman how it is with fans na kailangan totoo. Diba? Yung ganun eh. So, yun yung nagpapahirap ng sitwasyon nila Maris Racal, nila Rico Blanco, or any showbiz couple for that matter. Kasi kailangan nilang to deal with yung mga avid fans, yung mga talagang sobrang maniwala, yung mga affected sa mga movies.
Affected ako pero hindi ako. Dati na lang talaga ako ng emotions. Doon ko ginigage kung magaling na actor yung isang person. Kasi kung dadala niya ako, kung dadala yung emotions ko dun sa pinapakita niya.
Anyway, sa lahat naman ng mga episodes natin, makikita niyo naman talaga yung magiging difference ng age na yung pinag-uusapan natin ngayon because sometimes
Lumalabas ba yung age natin?
Oo. So, in a way, for now, hanggang dito na lang muna. perhaps we can
Let's do the past reveal.
next episode